Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Stephanie. Today, you guys, I went to the post office. I had to take a bag in to pick up all the boxes and envelopes and packages I got. So I will be making lots of videos, probably looking very much like this. First thing is, I decided I want to start trying some indie makeup brands. Indie makeup being, it's just independently owned makeup cosmetics companies. But I'm kind of like thinking more towards these smaller brands, lesser known brands. So I am making a few orders here and there and trying things. You guys know a couple weeks ago I had Kokie Cosmetics. I'm going to be trying that for a few months. And this week I got in an order that I did probably 2 weeks ago from Kokie Cosmetics. It might have actually been not that long ago, honestly. So this is how they shipped it. And what this is a monthly mystery box. And this was $25 shipped. So they didn't charge me tax. I didn't see anywhere where it charged tax. I didn't have a line item for shipping. So unless I'm wrong, I mean, I went into my account and looked at it. It's $25 for this. So let's go ahead, open this up and take a look at Kokie Cosmetics. And it's Kokie. Looks like they got it taped. Pretty nicely packaged. Nice bubble mailer and lots of tape on it to make sure it's secure. You all know I don't like to ruin the bubble mailers because I reuse them. So let's see if I can be gentle. Coming. All right. I feel lots and lots of bubble wrap, which is smart. All right, nice. All right, it's jammed in there, but it's really nicely packaged. Coming. Woo! All right, empty. So we have the packing list here. April mystery box, $25. That's it. Let's take a look. So really nicely bubble wrapped. Very, very smart on their part. You know, good bubble wrap. So here's what we got. Again, this is for the month of April 2022. I'm trying to remember if I had to wait until April 1st to order this or if I was able to get it at the very end of March. So if it was, today is April 6th. It came very fast. All right, let's just pull one out. All right, first thing we have is Mystics Matte Setting Mist. Long wear, all day fresh, all skin types with hyaluronic acid and biotin. There you go. So that's one side. And the other side says, Mystics, secure your makeup in a flash. Ultrafine mist ensures maximum coverage and hold. This is a fast-setting, lightweight mist, locks makeup into place all day without making skin dry or tight. It's a balanced formula, includes hyaluronic acid to restore and hydrate the skin. The directions are to apply after makeup. Hold bottle 8 to 10 inches from your face. Close your eyes. Hold the nozzle to spray continuously over face and allow it to dry. Let's take a look. It does have a little safety seal on the top. Not so much on the bottom. Cruelty-free. Look, it says animal test free. So it's not safety sealed on the bottom. Easier to get into. I think this is an aerosol. Yes, it is. So that is really nice. Does have the Leaping Bunny even on this. So there is a little Kokie Cosmetics symbol. So that's really nice. Let's see. Aerosol. You can see the sprayer. All right. I'm going to give it a whirl. I don't have any setting spray on, so it is very fine mist. Smells like setting spray. I feel, you know, it wasn't very thorough. I feel like basically all around my eyes and my cheekbones got soaked, but first spray. So we'll see. Supposedly it's supposed to set up matte, and it dried very quickly, and it does have hyaluronic acid and biotin, so that's really nice. I will be trying that. Next item looks lippy to me. Yes, it is. So it says lip, let's see, liquid matte powder. So it's a powder. It's shrink wrapped. I already have lippy stuff on, you guys, so I don't want to open it right now and try it because I already got something on. The color on this is called Rosewood. I'm not sure. I'm hoping you can read that, but it says Rosewood. It's a really very pretty dark color. So that's really nice. And the next item, Transformix Foundation Mixer in Matte, 30 milliliters. It says a weightless makeup mixer instantly changes foundation to a velvety matte finish without compromising the quality, wear, or color of your foundation. How to use: you add 1 to 2 drops of the mixer to foundation and blend well. Customize the intensity of the matte finish by adding more drops of mixer. Well, that's interesting. That's what it looks like. So it's supposed to transform if you don't have a matte finished foundation, say something that's got dewy. That's what it looks like. It's just a little squeezy tube with a little tip. I don't know if you can see that. So that's interesting. Can't really smell anything. All right, so this again is 30 milliliters or 1.01 fluid ounces. The lippy was 4 milliliters. And I forgot to look on here. The setting spray is 2.5 fluid ounces. So that's a start. 2 more items. Let's go with this. This is Kokie's Duo Metallic Shadows, and the color is Haze. This looks beautiful. A little shiny. I don't know if you guys can see that. Might have to get into that, swatch that on my hand. It is shrink wrapped with just a little bit of shrink wrap. Get that off. Just has a little plastic covering. If you guys can see that. There we go. Okay, so the top opens. Oh, there's even a little mirror, y'all. Look at that. You can see my camera, which is my phone. All right, so I feel like this opens 2 different ways. Pretty sure it does. Yep. Ooh. So the bottom opens. There's a cute little sponge. Y'all look. Do not discard the little spongy. It's so cute. And then there is a loose powder on the bottom. So it does have a safety seal over it right now so you don't make a mess. So the little sponge is in here. And then again, the top, which is that kind of color. Again, it's a metallic shadow set and the shades are Haze. All right, we're going in. Ooh, that's pretty. Really creamy. So I've got it right here. Right underneath here. Then we're gonna go ahead, open the bottom back up, see if I can get this little safety seal off without making a mess. So does have a little safety seal. Got my little spongy. Hope I didn't just make a mess. It's a little hard to open the bottom, which is probably smart. Ooh, y'all, pretty. I don't know if you can see on the sponge, a little glitters. I'm going to close it, tip it, get a little on the sponge. Hope I didn't make a mess. Wow, that's pretty. And I'm patting it right over the top of the top color that I put on. Oh, wow, that's really pretty, you guys. So you put that first shade on, you pick up a little of the glittery, more metallic-y glitters from the bottom, and you push it into that top layer, and look how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. So a first coat and then a second coat, that's really pretty. No smell. Why don't we go ahead and set that on my hand with your setting spray. Very, very nice fine mist came out. Got it a little wet, but let's see how that sets up. We'll see if the setting spray keeps the bottom, like loose, sparkly glitters set up on here. Got a little bit too much on there. I like this. This is really nice. I think that's a beautiful shade. I hope you guys can see that. Definitely a metallic shimmer that is just so pretty. There's one more item while we let this set up and see if that'll hold those shimmers. We've got a blush. Y'all, this is $25 for all this. I think this is a really nice deal. It's all makeup or makeup related products. So the shadow, the blush color is called Swoon. I'm wondering if that maybe is indicative of the shade or if that is indicative of the shade. I'm not really sure. We're going to find out. Oh, the shadows are so pretty, you guys. All right, nice box it came in. Oh, very pretty, you guys. Some beautiful design pressed into, so pretty. Really pretty design pressed into the blush. I see like an elephant, I think. Butterfly, flowers. Oh, really pretty. Look how beautiful that is. ZeeSea, if you're watching, this one would be very pretty for your blush collection. That's gorgeous. It's kind of an ombre effect to it. Again, it's a soft gradient blush and the color is Swoon. I think that's really pretty. I like that. That'll work really nicely for me. Really nice colors. So you guys, this is my first month trying their April. This is their April mystery box. I am not sure if everybody gets exactly the same shades or exactly the same products. My packing list did tell me their SKU numbers on their items. For instance, this one, if you look right above my fingernail, it says the BL number and then it says the color is Swoon. So I have all these little numbers on here. This is the BL06 is the first one. And then I have, this must be their number here. This is also on their SS258. So you guys, this is so pretty. And it did hold a lot of that shimmer on there. I hope you guys really can see that and appreciate how pretty that is. I maybe can try putting a little bit more on there. Ooh, I can get it. I can build it. You guys, it intensifies. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, Kokie Cosmetics, y'all. Look how pretty that is. And I will absolutely use this color. I think this is really nice. No scent to anything. All right, so the setting spray, 2.5 ounces. We have the blusher here. It is a 9-gram blush. We have this is an interesting one. This is a foundation mixer, 30 milliliters. We have the lippy, let's see here. What did I say that was? 13.13 fluid ounces or 4 milliliters. Kind of an interesting color, and it was rosewood. And then the beautiful dual metallic shadow. Again, the color is called Haze. Double. You got the top layer is very creamy, and I went in very lightly, and you can kind of see where I swatched it. And then the bottom has the little itty bitty sponge, which is perfect. I see why they say not to lose it. There's a little bottom sponge and then the loose glitters, and y'all, so pretty. All right. Let me know what you guys think down below. I will go ahead and link to Kokie Cosmetics. They don't have any kind of referral program that I'm aware of. If they do, I will link it, but I don't believe they do. They're an indie brand, and this shipped out of Maryland. I did order it on April 1st. So you guys, it came to me within 5 days. So excellent job on their part getting that shipped out. I'm sure they had their mystery boxes ready to go. They're available from the first of the month through the last day of the month, and they change out every month. So I will probably be trying a few of these. I'm pretty happy with everything I've gotten. We'll be trying them out. Really, really like this shadow. Really pretty. Let me know what you think down below, you guys. If you're new here, would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button, join my YouTube family. Don't forget, you all, I do have my big subscriber channel milestone giveaway going on. 2,300 subscriber giveaway going on. I'm not quite there yet. Would love it if you guys would help me get a little closer towards that 2,300. That one is going to be ending within less than 2 weeks to go. So make sure you check that video out. Check the rules in the description on that video. Make sure you are eligible and that you understand how to enter. And good luck, everybody. So thanks for checking this out with me, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to be making a few more videos. You're going to see me looking like this for a number of videos. So I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.